In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a slider in Webflow. Whether you're looking to enhance your website's interactivity or just want to show off a series of images or content in a dynamic way, adding a slider can be a fantastic solution. It's straightforward, and I'm here to make it even simpler for you. First things first, head over to webflow.com. If you haven't logged in already, make sure to do so with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Webflow dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your projects. Next, you'll want to locate all sites on the dashboard. This section lists all the projects you've been working on or have created. Click on All Sites to bring up a list of your existing projects. If you're starting fresh, you might have just one or two, but if you're a seasoned Webflow user, this area might be bustling with activity. Now, select the site where you want to add the slider. Click on it to open the site in the Webflow Designer. This is where all the magic happens. The Designer is a powerful tool that lets you visually construct your site without needing to dive deep into code, although it's there if you need it. Once your site is open in the Designer, turn your attention to the left-hand toolbar. This is where you'll find various elements that you can add to your page. Click on the Add Element button, which typically looks like a plus sign. This will bring up a panel with a host of elements you can include on your site. With the panel open, you'll want to search for the slider element. You can either scroll through the list of elements, or to save time, just type slider into the search bar at the top of the panel. Once you spot the slider element, click on it. Webflow will automatically add it to your page where your cursor is, or you can drag it to your desired location on the page, and there you have it. You've successfully added a slider to your Webflow site. From here, you can customize it to fit your site's style and needs. You can add images, text, or even videos to each slide, adjust the transition effects, and set the timing for each slide. Webflow gives you the flexibility to make the slider truly yours. I hope this guide has helped you navigate the process of adding a slider in Webflow. Don't hesitate to experiment with different settings and styles to see what looks best for your site. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.